Petrol or diesel-powered high-pressure cleaners are available for operation in areas where there's no convenient electricity supply. Observe the following points when operating with water from open sources such as lakes or rivers. The suction hose must be filled with water and screwed airtight to the machine before starting work. A fine mesh filter is needed on the machine's water inlet to avoid dirt damaging the pump. The coarse dirt filter with non-return valve is suspended in the water so that it does not rest on the bottom. The pump has to be vented before connecting the high-pressure hose. Electric high-pressure cleaners can of course also pick up water from outside sources. Generally speaking, the height difference between the surface of the water and the machine must not exceed 1 meter in the suction mode.